Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone is keeping fine. Today we are going to continue with the chapter. In the last class, I taught you this chapter, and the last features of the computer was reliability. And today we are going to carry on with the chapter. And today I am going to teach you this new section of the chapter. So before I begin with the chapter, I am making it clear that this video is for class 5A, 5B and 5C. Okay, so let us continue with the chapter, and today we are going to study different applications of computers. Please open page number 6 in your book. So here I have written all the applications of computer which is given in your book. Okay, different applications. Altogether there are 10 points which are given in your book, and whatever the points are given in their book, it is not till there. Okay, जो भी points आप लोगों का किताब में दिया हुआ है वहीं तक सीमित नहीं है कंप्यूटर का यूज, उसके अलावा बहुत सारे जगह में उपयोग होते हैं. Computers are applicable or they are used in different areas. Okay, so according to the book, let us begin. The first one which is given in the book is application of computer at home. So I suppose many of you have computers, but some of you don't have the computers also, but doesn't matter. We will carry on with the chapter. So applications of computer at home. How are computers used at home? Okay, so many of you use your computer in a different way, like to play games, to browse internet, to listen to music, to watch movies, and even to book the tickets, different kind of tickets, railway tickets, cinema tickets, okay, different thing. So at home the purpose of the computer are multi-purpose. They are used in varieties in different ways. Okay, you can do painting, you can write letter, you can email your friends, and many more. Okay, and next is in schools. I suppose you have gone to computer lab and you very well know how computers are used in computer lab, and further that how computers are used in offices. Okay, in office also you can see that there are computers. Okay, so in the school mostly computers are used to keep the records. Okay, they are used to keep the records of the students, teachers and their details. For example, when you pay the fees, your records are kept in the computer in the school. Okay, and they are also used to prepare the reports like your grade cards. Okay, and even in some schools some videos are shown through the use of projectors, and during this time the computers are also used. Okay, next is for medical purposes. So in the field of medicine, use of computers are in different ways, and in medical purposes, for medical purposes they are used like for keeping the records of the patients who are admitted and who are getting well and living in the hospitals, and the treatment details, like you can see computers in ICU, they are used to monitor different things. Okay, and they are used even in laboratories to keep the continuous check of the experiments. Okay. Next we continue with films and televisions. Next point is films and televisions. The application of computers in films and televisions. Many of you know, or almost all of you know, that whatever we see in movies, in films, all are not original. They are not real. Okay. They are not real. They are made artificial. And how they are made artificial? With the help of the computers. Like in the movies, you can see a hero is jumping from a two-story building, which is not easily possible by any normal human being. Okay, these are all done through the use of computers. Okay, they are edited and we see the artificial version. Just we see the artificial thing, and they are used to create the characters. The characters of the movie, like in the cartoons we see, those are the gift of computers. Okay, they are made through computer. And next is in banking sector. We can see that in banks, in almost all the counters in the bank, there are computers. So computers in the banks are used differently, like for keeping the records of the records of the bank holders. Okay, and their details, like the withdrawals, deposits, in different ways, like in the saving account, current account. Okay, they are used for different, like for updating the passbooks, ATMs, everywhere their computers are used. Okay, and with the help of the computers, the work of the bankers or the employees, those who are working in banks, the work become very fast. Okay, the work is carried on very fast. It is carried on very rapidly. Next is in offices. The sixth point is in offices. In offices, computers are used in different ways. For preparing the documents, to maintain employees' personal and salary records. Many things are given in the book. To print the documents, communicate information through emails, to show any project through the use of computers in a slideshow. Okay, in the offices, computers are used in different ways. And in today's world, this computer is playing a vital role, very important role in offices. Next is in libraries. So computers are used in libraries. And how they are used? They are used to keep the records of the books. Okay, when the new books are brought, all the books are recorded and they are kept in the computer. Okay, and whenever any student issues a book, his records are kept. And whenever after issuing the book, when they deposit the books in the library, again their records are maintained. All the records are maintained. Okay. And if you are looking for any book, and if you want to get it checked through the librarian, he can check by checking the records in the computer. Are you getting it? Next is in shops and hotels. Okay, nowadays you see almost many of the shops, okay, almost all the shops are keeping computers in their shops, especially the shops which are big one, like the medical, this pharmacy where the medicines are sold. Okay, in the retail store, like you see the big bazaars, or big bazaar, style bazaar, many malls are also there, no? So you can see their computers are here. With the help of the computers, the selling business become very easy. Okay, they are able to make the bills very fast. Like in the hotels, when a guest comes in, his records are maintained. His records are entered and they are maintained. And when he or she checks out from the hotel or leaves the hotel, that time again his sign out or his time of leaving, date of leaving, everything is maintained. And the good thing is that it can be assessed, the data or the records can be assessed anytime, especially when there are some incidents in the hotels, okay, like any crimes or any such accidents. In that time, the police, they come to the hotels and they check the records, like the records of the CCTV, the guests who have come in or gone, all the records are maintained. Okay. Next is science and technology. In science and technology, we can say that today computer is playing major role, like for creating artificial intelligence, okay, like for making robots. You can see that those are designed with the help of computers, and the software are made with the help of the computers. Okay. And in science and technology, we can also say that computers are used to launch different satellites, missiles, and they are used to make different inventions also. Okay. And next is designing. According to the book, the last point is in the application of the computer is designing. So computers are used to design different things, like to make the design of the building, okay, the offices, like to make the design of the scientific apertures, okay. They are used to make the designs. In designing, they are used to make the designs of different things, okay, and after that the things are made, like we can see in the televisions, TV, that many things are made with the help of the computers. Okay, so till today we end here, and the details of the chapter, the exercise of the chapter, I am giving you in the PDF format. Okay, you can check them out. Okay, I'll give you all. And regarding this question answer, page number 9, I have written, refer to page number 1 of the notes, or refer to question number 1 of the notes. I have given you almost all the notes which are covered in this question answer section. Okay, मैंने जो आप लोग को नोट्स दिया है वो सब क्वेश्चन आंसर कवर करता है. ठीक है, तो आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर वो नोट्स से लिखेंगे. वही मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर लिख दिए हैं, आप लोग नोट्स से क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख लेंगे अपने फेयर कॉपी में. ठीक है, एंड ऑल दिस एक्सरसाइजेस आई विल बी गिविंग यू इन द PDF. Okay, you write them down in your copy. Okay then, thank you.